Okay folks, this is a ground up complete rebuild of cbr600 F2. Absolutely everything has been done. Powder coated wheels, re-chrome forks, new radiator, engine cleaned, resprayed, all fixings. Olin's rear shock, all fixings here. Brand new tyres, all powder coated wheels. Repacked Micron end can, all rebuilt and serviced, including the engine nut and bolt by a qualified Honda main dealer technician. No expense spared. Absolutely 100% beautiful and spot on. Runs like a dream. Contact me for any further details. Thank you very much.